everybody, I hope you are alright. I'm happy to talk to you today because I'm going to show you my favorite recipe, which is apple pie. Let's go! For this recipe, we need some apple, about 3 or 4 cut in a small sliver, 400 grams of stewed apple, 1 short crust pastry. After you put the pastry in the baking pan, you can spread the stewed apple. Then you have to place the small sliver apples like a flower. Be careful before, don't forget to heat the oven to 200 degrees. Now I will decorate my pie with butter and sugar. Then you put it in the oven for 25 minutes. Oh my god, it's wonderful! I love this simple recipe because I don't need any flour and any eggs. When the apple pie is done, enjoy your meal!